Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about my Amazon Prime purchases. They are my most recent Prime purchases. We don't have enough time to go through my history of things I've purchased on Amazon because Amazon Prime is my life. I do have a full-time job and I'm a mom and we're renovating our house, and I just don't have time to run around and get things that I normally need to function in life. So Amazon Prime saves me all the time. These are the most recent things that I've purchased, so I just thought I would share them with you. The first thing that I buy consistently from Amazon, you can find this at Walmart, but I found that it was turning into a treasure hunt and I don't have time for that. So I found this on Amazon. It was just as cheap as anywhere else, and it is the Fruit of the Earth Vitamin E Skin Care Cream. And looking at it on the package, I'll do a close-up. I don't know if the camera focused on that or not. One of my friends let me try her lotion like this. I mean, it looks like it's from the 1970s, let's be real. But this lotion is so legit. Like, it's pure vitamin E. I gave one to my sister recently, and I wish I would have had this when I was pregnant because I would have lathered myself in it all day. It was $3.50 for two of them. They're 4 ounces each. I usually keep one at work and then one on my nightstand. And I take this very seriously. I get really sad if I get out of this or if I leave it somewhere. So the consistency is great. The smell is very, very faint. There's not a really big scent to it. I can't say enough good things about this. So Fruit of the Earth, it's where it's at. The next thing that I have is a subscribe and save item. I only have a couple subscribe and saves. 2 of them are dog food. Both of my dogs are on Purina Pro plan. I have a German Shepherd, I have a Yorkie. We like the food. Please don't message me and tell me what crap food it is. It's what they eat, and they're thriving, and they love life. So let's leave it like that. The other thing I actually have is mascara. Disclaimer, I have tried all the mascaras, aside from Unique. No thank you. But I have tried all the big ones, the Giorgio Armani, the Ice to Kill, the Better Than Sex mascara, the Yes They're Real, anything by Tarte or NARS, so many different MACs, and they're good. Some of them are upwards of almost $30, $40 a tube, and so I found this one. It's the, I think it's L'Oreal. Are you L'Oreal? Yes. L'Oreal, this is the Blackest Black Voluminous Lash Paradise. This has pretty much been everywhere. It's the light pink tube. I'm just on subscribe and save, and it comes, I think, every month because I was having a lot of eye issues. We'll save that for a different video. It's going to be a very random video about eye problems, but I'm starting to change this out a lot more, and it dries out. And I just feel like eye stuff, you just need to keep on moving. Let's not keep it and get a yucky, you know what I mean? So I love the brush on this. I hate plastic applicator brushes with like the little plasticky spikes. That's not my game. So this just has a really good brush that's more fibery. I'm sure you cannot see this at all. I will show you a close-up of it, but I just love the way that it applies. I'm wearing it today. And for the price, I don't know, it's maybe $6 or $7. Sign me up all day, every day. The next thing that I live by, and I can do a separate post if you want to know about my actual skincare because I do take skincare very seriously, is the Yes to Blueberries, the Age Refresh cleansing wipes. I have used these since they came out, since the whole Yes To line came out, and it was only at Target, and they only had the blueberry. These are the Age Refresh ones. I've tried the grapefruit and the cucumber and the carrot and things like that, but nothing compares to these. And I truly believe that they are age refreshing. They have apple and lemon peel to cleanse and moisturize all in one. I will never be without these. I do not want any other kind of wipe. This is the only wipe I buy. I would say they're probably a little bit more expensive than maybe like the Garnier or Neutrogena or Pond's or the other ones that you have. And yes, as horrible as it is, this does replace me actually washing my face sometimes. Because let's be real, sometimes you just don't have time for that. No one wants to go in there after you're like in sleepy time land and you're like, oh my god, I didn't wash my face. but most of the time I can muster the energy to at least do this. So I feel like these have saved my face, and I swear by them, and I will not be without them. Take that for what it is. The next thing is more of a recent find, but again, something I will never be without, and it's a cleaning product. It is the plant-powered ECOS all-purpose cleaner, Parsley Plus. This was on a friend of mine's Instagram that I follow, and she posted it on her stories, and I was like, parsley? I just don't, why would you? And she was raving about it, that she gets it in like the gallon. I was like, okay, you're taking it seriously, because she's an Amazon Primer too. And I mean, I feel like you have to like something if you're getting like, you know, the huge sizes. And to be real, I just follow her on Instagram. She would not know me if I ran smack into the face, but you know what I mean? Do you consider them friends too? I'm not sure. Anyways, the smell of this, like, I don't know. I don't feel like I could smell something and be like, that's parsley. You know, like Gordon Ramsay. I don't feel like I could be like that. The smell of this though, I mean, if you stuck your head in a bushel of parsley, it probably smells like this, but this is the only thing I clean my kitchen with now, and it smells flipping amazing. I love the fact that it's all natural. It's legit parsley. It's just amazing. Made without dyes, parabens, phosphates, or phthalates. That cannot be right. Carry on. Readily biodegradable, pH balance, never tested on animals, lifter in every room, cleans water, safe surfaces. I'll never be without it. It was a little bit more expensive. I want to say it was maybe $4 or $5 a bottle. I don't care. I'm going to be the girl with the gallon thing. The refills, give me all the refills. I won't ever. This would probably really smell good in a bathroom too. Everywhere. Parsley everywhere. All day. And you don't feel like you just wiped your counters down with some herbs, you know? It feels clean and it smells awesome. Add it to your cart, I'm telling you. The last thing I have is something that I'm struggling with. I've wanted to switch to natural deodorant for a while because, you know, you read all the things and you're like, okay, fine, I'll try it. And I am on the struggle bus big time. Like, all I do is think about going back to my regular Secret deodorant. I got the Schmidt's Rose and Vanilla Natural Deodorant. I like the label. It was pretty. I've tried Tom's products before and I'm just not really a fan. So I tried this and I am forcing myself to finish this because it was $5 and I'm like, you know what? You need to work through it. Maybe there's a learning curve. Maybe your body has to adjust to not having the aluminum and all the things that it shouldn't have, right? I don't know. But I'm telling you what, I'm struggling hard. The first problem I have is it is so freaking gritty. I'm not gonna show you that. I feel like that's gross. But it literally, I mean, I bet my armpits have never been so exfoliated in their lives. I'm not joking. And it even says, I read this today, gently hold product momentarily to skin to soften on contact with body heat. There is no heat that is gonna make this not sandpaper. No flame. I mean, it's gonna be like sandpaper and flames. You know what I mean? So, I don't know. If you have any tips about natural deodorant, send them my way. I feel like I need to at least try another brand or two before I head on back down the aluminum train, because I don't know, friends. I'm not feeling it. So, well, those were my current Amazon Prime purchases. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more of these videos, give my video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!